Hello friends, welcome back to lmsdaily.com. In today's video, we will see how you can go to your Moodle quiz and dig out specific reports like what is the response given by a student against each question instead of their marks, as well as what was the correct answer to that specific question. That will give you a quick glance about what is the answer mentioned by the student and what is the wrong with their understanding, so that you can correct them in a personal one-to-one feedback. So in order to do that, you need to log into your Moodle as a teacher and go to the course wherein you would like to analyze the quiz reports. So first I will go to this course here and I will just scroll down until I will see the quiz. So let me say that I want the results for this quiz to analyze, and then go to the results tab here. Here you can get the different reports available for this quiz. Now for this specific demo, we need to expand this drop down and go to the responses tab here. Here you can see what you need to include in this report. So attempts from the enrolled users is the default. I'll just keep it as it is, and under the display options you can see that what is the page size, and this is the thing which is most important for this report. If you would like to see the question texts, the response given by the student and the right answer next to each other, then you need to select all these three check boxes. But let me say, if you don't want this, so you can uncheck this. So I will just keep it 3 boxes checked and I will click on this show report button here. So now as you can see that below this form we have the fields, the report is populated here. So you can see that this student Barbara Gardner, she has given the response 47% of the time for this question 1, and the correct answer was also the same thing. And the second student, Brian Franklin, he has given this as 23% of the time instead of the correct answer. So this is what he has got it incorrect. Similarly, you can just scroll this report to the right side here like this and see the different response for the different questions for all the students. So let me see that if you can see here, we have the question for the question number 3, then the response, and then the correct answer. So herein you can just simply scroll down and check out what your students are giving against any question. By extracting this report, you will get a quick glance about the students' understanding for the topic. If you like this video, please don't forget to click the subscribe button as well as press the bell icon for our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye. Have a great day.